Hey y'all, it's Seth from Rough Country. We've built out this 2023 Honda Pioneer, so let's check it out. Starting off with our suspension, we have our M1 coilover shocks. They're set at stock heights, but have 0 to 2 inches of capability of off-road performance. Up next on the front end, to take the front bumper to a new level, we've got our bumper wing kit with the optional 6-inch LED light kit to give your bumper a more aggressive look. Recovery is a necessity, so we've got our winch plate paired with our Pro 6500S winch. Moving up a little bit, this Pioneer features our 50-inch light bar and our 2-inch cube lights, a part of our Spectrum Light series, giving you all the lights you need on the trail. We're also running our full vented windshield that gives you all the protection you would need, as well as the ability to catch a cool breeze. Here on top, we have our HDPE roof, which is a very cost-effective way to keep the bad weather off your good times. Checking out the rear of our Honda Pioneer, we have our 20-inch Black Series LED light kit, as well as our 2-foot LED whip kit, giving you the choice of your personal pattern on the trail. In the interior, you have all the control for your lighting and accessories with our MLC 8 gang, as well as great visibility for what's behind you with our rear view mirror kit. You've got to have quality audio on your UTV, so we've got our 8-speaker Bluetooth LED soundbar that gives you all the good sound, all the cool features, and it gives you the remote control capacity. As you can see, there is no shortage of ways that you can personalize your Honda Pioneer for the adventures that you want to have. Give this video a like, drop us a comment, subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and share your build with us on our vehicle gallery, and go check out all of these products at roughcountry.com.